Hi student, today we are discussing the feature using AutoSum in the spreadsheet. Okay, so what do you mean by the AutoSum? AutoSum is the feature which allows you to automatically returns the result for a range of the cells for a common functions like sum, average, max, mean and count. Okay, so you can do calculation in a easier way by using the AutoSum feature. So where it is available, AutoSum function can be accessed from the two places on the ribbon. First one is in the home tab. There is a editing group. Okay, in that editing group, the AutoSum, this summation sign is there, so this is the AutoSum. You can access the AutoSum from the here. Sum, average, count number, max and mean. So what is the use of sum? It will calculate the total sum of the number. Average, it will calculate the average of the given number or cells. Count number means how many numbers is there in the cells. Max, maximum, it is used to find out the maximum value from the cells. Minimum, that is used to find out the minimum value from the cell. Okay, so this five basic functions are there. We can use the AutoSum. Okay, so this one is the first way. Second way is go to the formulas. Okay, in that formula there is a function library group. In that function library group, AutoSum is given. So from this you can access the AutoSum. Okay, that is the second way. First way is go to the home tab, editing group and the summation, and the second option is formula, function library group and the AutoSum. Okay, now see here in this Excel 5 I have taken one example of the air pollution level in the India. Okay, so these are the four major cities. I have written the random numbers in the year 2016, 17, year 2018. Okay, so if you want to calculate the sum of the year 2016, so this one is the total field. If I want to find out the sum from this, then what you have to do, select the cell in which you have to find the total. Okay, go to the home, there is the editing group, sum, click on the sum. It will automatically select the cells which you want to calculate the total. Okay, now automatically the sum formula is already appeared. Okay, now click on the enter button. So it will calculate the year 2016 total of the four major cities. Okay, likewise here you can also find out the sum, but if you want to stress this, then this automatically apply the sum formula to this. Okay, that is the first way. Now second function is minimum. If you want to find out the minimum from the four major cities, okay, then what you have to do, select the cell in which you want to find out the minimum. Same way, home tab, editing group, then sum. Now you have to select the mean. Okay, because you have to find out the minimum from out of the range, so you have to select the mean. Now click on the mean. Now the range is given, but I want to modify this range, so what you have to do, only you have to do the E7 here, because in the E8 there is a total, so I don't want the total, but I want to find out the Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Bangalore minimum in the year 2016. Now press the enter. It will automatically find out the minimum from this. Okay, now if you have to apply the same formula to the year 2017 and 18, so stress this horizontally, it will apply the automatically the formula. Okay, so you have to apply the formula by using the AutoSum. So this is the basic feature to calculate the mean, max, average and count the numbers. Okay, now I want to find out the maximum. Now what you have to do, first you have to select the cell in which you want to find out the maximum. Okay, now click on the AutoSum. max function. This max function appear the E10 only, but I want to find out the maximum from this Delhi to Bangalore. So what you have to do, you have to write the cell range from E4 to E7 and press enter. So it will calculate the maximum from this. Same way you can stretch this. Okay, so automatically it will apply the formula. Now you want to find out the average from the year 2016, 17 and 18. Okay, so what you have to do, select the cell in which you want to find out the average. Same way, home tab, editing group and auto sum. Now you have to select the average. Okay, so this will calculate the average of the given number. Now press the enter. It will calculate the average from this years. Now stretch this, it will automatically apply the formula. Okay, so this is the feature of the auto sum. Thank you for watching the video.